Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so for today's video, we are gonna find out what I got from IPSY for the month of January. Opening it up now, first time ever. Let's see what I got. Alright, so let's see. So first and foremost, this is the bag where all of the makeup comes in. So really cute green print. I'm a fan of green. Green and blue are my favorite colors, so I really like this little drawstring bag. Super cute. Fits a good amount of stuff. I have a lot of their other drawstring bags, and I've used those a lot. So yeah, it does fit a lot. I really like this style. So yeah, I really like this style. It's really nice because you can tie it too, just to make sure, you know, nothing falls out if you're traveling, things like that. So let's see. I'm just gonna grab. We're gonna grab. First thing I grabbed is pretty big, like a palette or something. Oh, Trasluce Beauty. So I don't have this palette. Yeah, this is Lucette Glow. It's a highlighter palette. I have a face palette from her, really good quality. So I know this is probably gonna be like top par too. Top par, Brie, really? How old are you? So here's the packaging. Blue seems to be her, like her brand's color. So has a mirror on there, which is really nice. So it's great for travel. And then it has 4 shades in there. It looks like we have a kind of like traditional like white champagne-y shade. We have a golden tone, which I'll definitely use. We have a really pretty rose tone, and then a deeper, kind of like rosy golden tone, so that'll be beautiful for deeper complexion. So if it'll focus, hopefully you can see the shades up close. Alright, let's do some swatching. Wow, so pretty. There's that like really pretty, ooh, it actually looks like, that might work for me. The one that I thought might be good for really like deep complexions is actually appearing lighter than I thought. So, love it. Alright, so let's do some swatches. Wow, that's a really pretty golden rose tone. You can see the shift in there. Beautiful white shade. We have another rosy tone, kind of similar to this one. This has like gold, almost duochrome shifts, so it like shifts in color. And then a beautiful golden tone. I just zoomed the camera a little bit, so hopefully you can see those swatches a little better. But they are pretty. I am going to play around with these like ASAP. Alright, what do we got next? What do I want to grab? Well, here's the card. Probably should have started with that. So this is what the card looks like. On the opposite side it says, "The year of you, forget reinvention, throw resolutions out the door, never mind starting over." True that. This year, just focus on doing you and discovering whatever makes you happy. Perfecting your skincare routine, experimenting with nail art, finding time to read, or reconnecting with friends. I love that. That's great going into the new year. We all need that. Alright, so let's see. We got some Gold Faden MD Problem Tired Eyes. I could sure use that. Solution Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. Yes. Dr. Goldfaden, I hope I am saying his name right. Advanced Ultralight Brightening Eye Cream reduces the appearance of under eye darkness, puffiness, and fine lines for a more luminous and youthful glow. Alright, next we have, ooh, I love Ahava. So we have Ahava Smoothing Hand Cream, Superfood Kale and Turmeric? Am I pronouncing that right? Turmeric. Is that how you spell it? Turmeric? I'm so confused. But I love their hand creams, and this sounds just so good for you. It has lots of superfoods in it. So this will be used ASAP. What is this, a palette? Yeah, it looks like an eyeshadow palette. So that's the packaging. A super cute font. Love that. Let's see. Ready? Let's find out. Ooh. So this is what that palette looks like. A lot of really pretty golden kind of warm tones. I like that it's compact, so you could travel with it. It doesn't have a mirror, which is fine for me. I don't usually use the mirror attached to like palettes anyway. Once in a blue moon I do. But It looks like it has a majority of mattes and then 2 shimmers. So if you're one that doesn't really want all shimmers, I know some people don't want that, this could be a nice little travel compact, you know, palette for you for just neutral every day. But I've never heard of this brand. It's Misha Beauty, so I'm gonna have to look into that and check out her stuff. And then I think, yeah, last but not least, we have the good old Tarte Double Take Awake. Nope, I said it correct. I don't know why that sounded wrong. Tarte Double Take Awake. This is their Micro Liquid Liner and Brightener Micro Eyeliner. So one end has that neutral shade, and then the opposite side is just a black liquid liner. So I will get... Sorry, I got distracted because I noticed I didn't zoom out. I keep zooming in and out for things. So this one's just in. Sorry, guys. But this is a great little duo. I have used this plenty of times. I love it. I will get so much use out of it, so that is great. So I don't recall the pricing, like the monthly pricing for IPSY. Let's find out, and then we can kind of compare prices, things like that. Okay, yeah, so this is not the like first tier bag. This, I believe, is the second tier bag. So the second tier bag is, what is it? I think it's like 20 something. Oh, they got like a big box. That's calling my name. That's like a huge box. Upgrade your bag to score 8 full-size products curated by beauty's biggest celebs, worth up to $350. Every 3 months it comes, so that's neat. Doesn't say the price there. I don't know, but what I do know is IPSY has been killing it the past few years. Like, I was always a BoxyCharm girl, and I just find like so many better products have come through IPSY's monthly subscription than BoxyCharm. I get a lot of repeats in BoxyCharm, unfortunately. I do want to try them again eventually, but it just wasn't doing it for me. Okay, so I think originally when I started with this it was $24, but now still a great value in my opinion. $28 for 5 full-size products. So I know off the top of my head the Ahava I think is at least, and I'm probably being very generous in the price, at least $20 to $40 for their hand creams. So that's great. I'm not too familiar with his stuff. I want to say I looked up his products before and they were very expensive. So you're definitely getting a good deal. Not sure about this brand. Could be an indie brand. Could be a little more on the affordable side. The Tarte, what's this, around 20 bucks, 24. And then the Tres Luce Beauty palette. If I could guess how much this is. 20 to 30 bucks. So ultimately you're definitely getting a value of at least what, over 100 for 28. I think that's worth it in my opinion. You get to try new things. If you're a beauty lover like me, this is great. You get to try so many new things. Yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna go to bed because it's getting late. And I hope you guys have a great day, great night whenever you're watching this. If you subscribe to IPSY, let me know what you got in your bag this month. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye!